We are going to complete the drugs and magic remedies. It is also very important topic for the point of view of different competitive exam. Okay, so let's start drugs and magic remedies. So the first thing is that the Drugs and Magic Remedies Act passed in the year 1954. You have to remember the year. This is very important. Passed in the year 1954, but rules came into force in 1955. Okay, the next thing is that to control or regulate the advertisement related to drugs and magic remedies is the motive of Drugs and Magic Remedy Act. Simply, if I'll tell you, then you have to remember in Drugs and Magic Remedies Act, you can't certify a disease which is not curable. So in that you can certify that this magic or this drug can 100% remove or 100% treat that disease if it is incurable. So you have to remember that this is the very simple motive of Drugs and Magic Remedies Act. Now, one second, please, one second. I'm having a call. Shit. So let's start again. Sorry to interrupt actually due to some I got an urgent call. So to control and regulate the advertisement related to drugs and magic remedies. Simply no one can certify that this magic or this drug can 100% treat a disease if the disease is incurable. In the schedule already already we studied that in which schedule. So you comment down below in which schedule it is listed that these types of diseases will not be curable. So in incurable diseases are listed in which schedule? Comment down. Okay, I'll tell you later. Next important section. So in that the main important section are section 3, section 4 and section 5. Why section 3, section 4 and section 5? In section 3, certain advertisement related to the certain drugs. In section 4, misleading advertisement. Misleading advertisement in the sense these things mainly happens in the village area or what it is called in rural or mainly in village areas these things happens. For example, if snake bites, then rather than taking antivenom serum, they are doing some magic remedies, something which is nowadays coming into the act, that these things are totally meaningless. Okay, so in section 3 certain advertisement related to the certain drugs. In section 4 misleading advertisement. You have to remember the section and which act is present in which section. In section 5 advertisement related to drugs. Okay, next magic remedy. It includes the talisman, mantra and tantras and bhashmas in the sense in the magic they are doing bhashma also. Okay, so these things are totally related to magic, and if I tell you in depth then these things are related to black magic also, that bhashma. Okay, so tantra, mantra and talisman and bhashmas which possesses miraculous power to treat anyone, this comes under magic remedy. Okay, next thing is that, so which of the following thing comes under magic remedy? So talisman, tantra, mantra, bhasmas. Okay. Next advertisement. It means notice, label and wrapper which is in the form of sound to give information. Okay. Next prohibited, banned advertisement. And now already I told you the main point. What is the motive? Now if I'll tell you everything, you will very easily understand what is the main important point. Okay, what is the motive? So advertisement related to procurement of miscarriage of women, very important. These things are happening in village areas, very important. Procurement of miscarriage of women, related to correction of menstrual cycle in women. Advertisement related to increase the sexual power for men, and advertisement which gives false claim the information of drug, and advertisement which causes and destroy the true character of drug. These advertisements are prohibited. So which of the following advertisement are prohibited according to drug and magic remedies? What will be the answer? The first option is procurement of miscarriage of women. Related any advertisement which is related to correction of menstrual cycle in women. Menstrual cycle in women in general happens due to the hormonal imbalance or um, increase in the body weight, what it is called obesity, due to obesity, or due to inappropriate sleep, improper food, so disturbed sleep cycle and food qualities. Sometimes it is also very what it is called episodic. It comes again it's treated, again it comes like this. So these all can't be treated by using any kind of magic remedies. Still, if it is treated, you can't advertise like this that my magic can correct the menstrual cycle in women. If any problem having menstrual in the menstrual cycle, it can be treated by the magic remedies. You can't explain or advertise like this. Next, number third point is advertisement which is related to increase the sexual power for men. This is also banned, this is also prohibited. Next, advertisement which gives the false claim in the information of the drug. If a drug is having one activity but the advertisement is giving another false information, that it is also banned. Next, advertisement which causes or destroy the true character of the drug. These all 5 types of advertisement are prohibited and it can be done. Next, prohibited and exempted advertisement. Number 1, advertisement related to drug that published in journals. Drug information present in the leaflet. Advertisement published with proper approval from the government by any reason. And advertisements related to oral contraceptives. These are also prohibited, exempted advertisement. Okay. So you remember that, don't be confused with this and that. That is different, this is different. Advertisement related to drug that is published in journals. Drug information present in leaflets. Advertisement published which with proper approval from the government by any person. Okay. Next, advertisement related to oral contraceptives. These all are also prohibited. Kahani hai. Hello. So next, offenses and penalties. What are the offenses and penalties for doing prohibited advertisement or any type of misleading advertisement? For first conviction, 6 month imprisonment. For second conviction, 1 year imprisonment. Okay. Next, duty tax. So medicinal and toilet preparation act, that is different, that is different topic. Okay, then these all are the important points. So you have to remember that all are important points. Okay, all the very best and keep studying continuously and keep growing. Okay, all the very very best for your upcoming exam. Actually, I'll give some important trick to remember all the schedules. Please check this one's video. Okay. Okay, thank you.